Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. Today we're going to be doing this very festivally, very cotton candy, very fair, very gender reveal-ish type of it look. Can you see what we got going on with the pink and the blue?
Oh my god! Wow!
I'm really excited for today's video. This is the second time I do this video, so I just hope that this one came out better than the first one. I think it did because the other one was very blurry, very bad. And I had a lot more to talk about in this one. So I hope you guys are as excited for today's video as I am. So yeah guys, make sure you guys are subscribed, make sure you've hit the bell, and make sure you have given this video a thumbs up. I will know that you guys like it without rambling and without keeping you guys on for too long here. Thank you guys. And make sure you're being safe. I know that we just started phase 1. I don't know if all of America, but I know that in Florida we did. Be safe, you know, be safe. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video where I have plenty more to say. I hope we're good. This is the second time I'm filming this video because the first time, I'm sorry if you can hear that, there's no school, but it's a bus and it's 2 p.m. and I don't film at this time because there's a lot of noise in the daytime. So if you can hear that, I apologize. Yeah, like I was saying, this is the second time I'm filming this video. The first time, I was like way out of focus, just like this. No. So we're gonna be doing a look with the Amrezy palette again. I could have done a better job. I have some things to say and talk about. Okay, I have a lot of things to say and talk about. The other one, I was kind of like, let me just talk about this video and all that. I got some tea. Okay, we're priming the skin with the Photo Focus Coconut Wet n Wild Primer. Who here listens to Call Her Daddy? Not just me. I know it's not just me. They're not like the biggest sex podcast in the world, and I'm the only one here that listens to it. Okay, so wow. Okay, it's been like 6-7 weeks since they uploaded a podcast, and then here comes Dave Portnoy on their own channel. Like the disrespect.
Just so disrespectful!
Here he comes on their own channel, and I'm priming my skin with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, the one that feels like a hair gel. And he's talking like how much they make in a year, why they're not filming, what the trail means. Oh, this was so hydrating. And like, I live in Miami and it is pouring outside because hurricane season. And I'm going to be using the Catrice HD Full Coverage Liquid Foundation. Isn't that the coolest thing? And I just kind of want to just like spread it with my fingers. So like I was saying, these girls have the audacity to get on the podcast every other week and just say that they're poor, when homies over here were earning $500,000 each. So it got me thinking, should I start a podcast and just talk about my sex life like that? Like, should I do that? Should I exploit myself like that? Public enemy number 1, Suitman. Peter Nelson. Hashtag cancel every Peter in the whole wide world. We're done with that name. And then this is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Oh man, I started my face because I got used to it. I started my face with before I started my eyes. So like I was saying, we're canceling every single Peter in the whole wide world just until things get back to normal. Dude, you cannot be dating a Peter during coronavirus. You cannot be dating a Peter in 2020, period. Guys. So I will be using these in this video, these mini ABH glosses. I don't know why they're open, but we're gonna pretend everything's okay. I got my hands on the, oh, she is heavy. I got my hands on the Norvina Pro Pigment Volume 4. She's heavy. She thick. Oh. And this mirror? Do you guys don't need to see yourselves in the mirror, but do you, oh. And we got ABH liquid liner, which means I will be using this one too. Ooh, she's purple. Ooh. So, back to Peter Nelson. Where's my brush? Yeah, that's just not, we're not doing that no anymore. If you're dating a Peter, break up with him. Because if you guys got anything from The Bachelor or from Sophia, damn, it's so crazy. I don't know, like, I want to, like, be all, like, but, like, I would listen to them when I would do my makeup, and I would drive, and when I would go to the gym. I don't know, I'm sad. It's, like, bittersweet. I will say that, it got a little greedy, you know, if you listen to the podcast. I'm going to be grabbing OG on a JH32 brush. What's the Greek god that, they ended up clipping his wings because he tried to reach the sun or something? Yeah. That. Oh, this palette is so pigmented. And again, we're going to grab OG again. Put it on the outer corner of the eye. So I'm going to grab a little synthetic flat brush. And it's the Isabella Scott, and she is like this. First, we're gonna grab Amrezy, this hot pink, and we're gonna go slowly. We're gonna put this in the inner corner and slowly blend inwards. But we're gonna focus a little bit more on just packing it on. Ooh. I feel like this is sort of what I was missing. Like, I've been like obsessed with this palette, and I only made one look with it, and it was none of the fun, like, exciting, bold pinks. And that's not what you get palettes for, especially like multicolored palettes like that. I think that's the best part of palettes, you know, because I know that you can buy single shadows and they're good, but like majority of the time, what single shadows are you buying? You're buying neutrals, right? Right. So I'm gonna grab this Urban Decay flat little synthetic brush, and then we're gonna grab Leo, which is that beautiful blue. See? And we're just putting that on the center of the lid. And then we can even take it a little over to where the Resi is, the hot pink one, and just try and blend it like that. Because I know a lot of people are going to come out pregnant during quarantine. You could do this for a gender reveal look. You could invert the colors, whichever one you want more. This could be a summer festival look. This is very cotton candy-like to me. Ooh. And then grab a little bit more with a brush and just pat that very slowly. And then we're going to take our original brush, no additional product, and just blend the edges lightly. Ooh, I like this. This reminds me of cotton candy. This reminds me of like the fair, and they use, you know, those big cotton candies that they sell in the bags, and it's always the pink and the blue. So I'm going to do my eyebrows quickly, and we're going to speed through this part because, you know, I have a full-on eyebrow tutorial, a little mini one, in my Instagram, so if you're interested in that, then you check that out. So I'm gonna grab the Physicians Formula for now, and this is in the lightest shade in light bronzer, because the other one is more of a contour shade and we're trying to bronze here, so I'm only grabbing this Japanese brush, fluffing it in. I finally got my boyfriend to watch Vanderpump Rules with me. It only took like 1 second of convincing. And now every time the little song plays, he hums to it and he taps his feet, and it's the cutest thing ever because he always acts like he doesn't like it, and then he starts getting so invested, just like me. Basically, we're gonna watch this show together. Just like Housewives of Atlanta. He said not to watch it, and then he ends up watching it. We're gonna highlight our nose, maybe the temples, maybe the forehead. Maybe the chin. But we're not going to do the cheeks. With the Amrezy, you know, only fitting, we're using the palette, we're using the highlighter too. I'm trying to think of what my first ABH product was, and I'm pretty sure it was either this, or it was the Sultry palette from them, but I think it was this. Look how shiny my nose, it's like such a little button nose. And then just here. I want to do eyeliner now. And because we just got this new eyeliner, how do you open this? Oh. So these scare me because these are a little harder for me. I know that for other people, this is all perfect. Okay, I'm not gonna talk. Okay, it won't happen the same on this eye. Or maybe I'm just so negative that it just doesn't happen because I say it won't happen. But this eye looks so good. Surprisingly, very easy. Okay, prayer. Yeah? We're not gonna touch it anymore because we could F it up. This is great, okay? I have never done my eyeliner so freaking quickly. For a long ass time that I haven't used an eyeliner like this, and as someone that's just starting to incorporate eyeliner, like I just started this year, I think this is good.
It's nice.
I very, very, very much like this product. We're definitely gonna do the under eyes. So I wanna grab this little brush, and then we're gonna grab on the edge of the little brush. Right here, like this little corner. Leo. Because we already have a lot of pink. Or you guys, you want to make this super festival? Okay, we're gonna grab Leo. And then on the other side, we're gonna grab Amrezy. Wow. Ooh, who am I? All right, we're gonna grab our Damn Girl mascara. I am getting excited. And then we're gonna do another, just one more coat. Because we like to do 2 coats because that's how you get the mascara's full potential. I'm gonna put on our L'Oreal Color Riche Match in 110. Mattes It. And we're gonna line our lips with this. Oh, I don't even know which one I want to do. Okay, I think I do. Or Bella? I'm gonna do Bella. We're gonna do Bella, and then we're gonna top it with one of these little glasses. So we're gonna do Bella, like my best friend's baby's name. Oh. 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 Who are you? Hello. And then we're gonna top it with Peachy, with a bunch of Y's. With 2, 3. Am I blind? I think it's 2. Then I think it's 3. No, it's 2. No, this one. These are beautiful. These are so good. These are so beautiful. We're gonna put on our Allure lashes. Let that dry for a minute or 2 or 4. Eyelash glue lives on my eyes for like a good weekend. You see, normally I don't take offense to that, but it just is gunky. I feel like I could, like, not even when I wipe my eyes with like makeup remover, like oils, nothing will get rid of it. So trying not to wear as much false lashes because of that. I might go the extension route, but I feel like that just gets so addictive, and like you feel bald if you don't have it, and then like what if another situation like this happens, like quarantine, and then like everybody's just like you have like one left. I don't know. I'm very skeptical about a lot of things I do to myself, and I don't know if the story I told is in this video or is in Thursday's video, but I'm thinking about doing them again so I could do the legit full no hands makeup challenge. Like the no brushes makeup challenge. Putting on my lashes so quickly now, it's crazy. I hope you enjoyed spending a whopping however many minutes this turned out to be with me and just talk about nonsense and like start and not finish the stories. Ooh, setting spray. We're doing the Morphe Mattifying Continuing Mist. The black one, the original one, I love that one. This one I picked up right before quarantine started, like I want to say like the week before. And then this one I picked up when I picked up the Morphe Artistry Past palette, which I have a video on that, so I will leave it in the eye so you guys can check that out. This is just like liquid powder on your face. So like I was saying, thank you guys again for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed so I can see that you guys enjoy my videos and that you guys enjoy my content and that you want to see more. And then after you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell so that you don't miss any more content. And of course, give me a thumbs up and I will be not just only happy, but I will also know that you enjoy my content. So again, thank you guys so much. You know, leave me suggestions. I have a thing of what I want to do, like the next sort of how-to video, because I really liked that. I felt like I was like I was like in my zone and I was like teaching and I was like, oh my god. I will catch you in Thursday's video and make sure you stay tuned for that one because that one is a big one and that one is a very popular one. Guys, thank you again. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your day or rest of your night. And if you are feeling down, it's okay. Tomorrow's a brand new day. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I just got a Sephora package. Jesus, every possible noise. Now they're mowing their lawn. Every possible noise. Being a woman is so expensive. And because I know a lot of people are gonna come out pregnant out of quarantine. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, I didn't even do the bottom. God, what is wrong with me? I'm just so excited now. Everything that could go wrong is going wrong.